Hello guys, welcome back to this channel where we make amazing recipes. Today we are going to do pan roasted potatoes with carrots, and I'm also going to do a pan grilled beef. Since I don't have a grill, I'm going to use a pan. So first of all, I'm going to marinate my beef. I'm going to use oregano, I have coconut powder, I have ginger powder, I have paprika, I have barbecue powder, I also have soy sauce. So those are other things I'm going to use. I'm also going to put a little bit of sweet chili sauce. So I will marinate it, then I let it sit for like 20 to 30 minutes, then I'm going to grill it. For me, I will say sometimes cooking is not just cooking. Sometimes it's good to go an extra mile. So then we're going to grill our beef. It is ready for like after 20 minutes. Then in the same pan, we are going to add our potatoes and our carrots. Then we add a little bit of oil. We let it cook for a while. I also added a little bit of mixed herb and ginger powder on the potatoes and carrots to give it a good flavor and some salt. Then I let it cook for like 15 minutes. I added my onions because I didn't want my onions to fully cook, so I opted to add them after my potatoes were almost done. And at this point it was smelling nice. Actually, this is a recipe I've never tried. I don't know why I just came up with this recipe, but I've never tried it. But I like the outcome. I loved it actually. So guys, you can save the video, share the video, go and try it at home. Actually, I found it that it is very easy to make. It is a very easy recipe. All you need to do is to use a low medium heat. Do not put a lot of heat. Then I served my roasted, see the way they look, wow, my roasted potatoes. Then I had to cut the beef into strips for easy bitings, of course. And then that's me plating. Then I finished with the salsa